Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Reasoning. Reasoning means action of thinking about something in logical. For example, he explained the reasoning behind his decision at a media conference. He explained the reasoning behind his decision at a media conference.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The court's reasoning is convincing. Now, repeat after me. The court's reasoning is convincing. The second exemplar. I can't understand the reasoning behind some of those. Now, repeat after me. I can't understand the reasoning behind some of those. The third exemplar. I think it is an essential part of his reasoning. Now, repeat after me. I think it is an essential part of his reasoning.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The phrase, long time no see, is a literal translation of a Chinese phrase. It comes from the Mandarin phrase, how ju bugn. No go, and, no can do, are also similarly borrowed from Chinese.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.